Discover expert Salesforce solutions today. Welcome to the future of business growth with our Trusted Salesforce Development Company. We provide expert solutions tailored to your unique business needs. Our team consists of certified Salesforce professionals who bring years of experience and a deep understanding of the platform to every project. We focus on creating customized Salesforce solutions that streamline processes and enhance productivity, driving your business towards unparalleled success. From consultation to implementation, our comprehensive services cover every aspect of Salesforce development, ensuring seamless integration and maximum efficiency. Worried about data security? Our robust security measures and best practices ensure that your sensitive information remains protected at all times. We pride ourselves on our customer-centric approach. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we work closely with you to achieve your business goals. Our expert support doesn't end with deployment. We offer ongoing maintenance and training to ensure your team maximizes the benefits of your Salesforce platform. Join a growing list of satisfied clients who have transformed their operations and achieved remarkable results with our Salesforce solutions. Ready to elevate your business? Contact us today and discover how our trusted Salesforce Development Company can help you reach new heights.